Dear friends, once again I welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful study program of Dr.Save Health Natural Lifestyle. We are studying how to become a healer, and everyone is designed to become a healer. How God healed us. Many people doesn't know how to heal ourselves. If you see dogs, animals, cats, or any kind of animals, birds, they are their own natural healer. But for the mankind, they lost or they forgot the art of healing. Here we are studying and experiencing the art of healing. The art of healing is what God designed for us. And as you keep studying, you can learn day by day many good things. And as we have studied, very important doctor healer are 10. It is Dr. Sunshine, Dr. Air, Dr. Water, Dr. Food, Dr. Herb and Earth, Dr. Exercise, Dr. Abstinence, Dr. Temperance, Dr. Love All, Dr. Trust in God, and Dr. Best. By following these 10 doctors, we can prevent all kind of diseases. That is part 1. Good evening, friends. I welcome each and every one of you back to Dr. Save Health Natural Lifestyle. We are studying a special series of how to become a natural healer. Everyone are a healer. Many lost how to heal ourselves. Many people, they don't know how to heal ourselves. And everyone are a healer. Can you agree with me? Yes. If you see the dogs, animals, and all the birds' kingdom, they were healing themselves. If you see the cat, if it is having some problem, they never eat any kind of food. And they stop eating food and they start taking herbs. And if you see all the planet, all the animals, God have designed, God have given them a special wisdom what kind of food they have to eat. So even any kind of snake bite also, the mongoose, they go and eat the right herb. So if you see the average of the poisonous venom bite of the animal and the mankind, and the animals are very less because they are eating the natural, the organic, the medicinal herbs. Man have not having that eyes. So we have to start learning from the animals which God have kept in the nature. So everyone are a healer. So as we have learned last 10 healers, the 12 healers, the Dr. Sunlight, Dr. Air, Dr. Water, Dr. Food, Dr. Herb and Earth, Dr. Exercise, Dr. Abstinence or Temperance, Dr. Love All, Dr. Trust in God, and Dr. Help the Rest. By following this 10 principle, we can prevent all kind of diseases. And today we are going to study about a very important part, a lesson. Okay, it is our body, how our body functions, and how God have created this body in a right way. So we are going to study about the how God have created this human body. So now we are studying about the amazing wonders of how body have created the amazing body kingdom. A story I want to explain you so that you can understand very clearly. Once upon a time, in a magical land called the body kingdom, all the parts of the body work together like a happy family. Each part had a special job to keep the kingdom strong and healthy. When some body part is not working, that is called as disease. So now the head. You know who is the head? The king's castle. At the very top of the kingdom was the head. When the king brain lived in a tall, strong castle, king Brain was the smallest ruler ever, he helped everyone do their jobs, sending messages to the whole kingdom through tiny messages called the messengers called nerves. The forehead was like the roof of the castle, keeping sweet away from the king's precious window. The king's precious window, the eyes. The eyes were the kingdom's watchmen, helping everyone to see colors, shapes, and movement. On other side of the castle were the ears. Everybody is having ears, and were acted like a big satellite dishes, listening to the sounds and keeping the kingdom balanced. Right in the middle was the nose, the kingdom air filter, breathing the fresh air and helping the people smell delicious food. And don't forget the mouth and the jaw, the kingdom's castle kitchen, where food was chewed and prepared to give the kingdom's energy. The neck and the arm, the kingdom's bridges and the helpers. The neck was strong bridge that connect King's Brain Castle to the rest of the land. It helped turn the head in different directions and made sure food, air, and important messengers traveled safely. The soldiers and arms and hands were the hard-working helpers of the kingdom. The elbow bent like hinges. The wrist moved like magic, and the fingers and the thumb could grab, hold, and build things to keep the kingdom running smoothly. The chest and the back, the power center in the middle of the kingdom was the chest, where the heart and lungs lived. The heart was like a magical pump, sending blood of the energy to every part of the land. The lungs were like giant balloons, breathing in fresh air and sending oxygen to the heart. The back and the spine were the strong walls of the kingdom, keeping everything standing tall and straight. They helped the people to sit, stand, and move around. The belly and the hip, the food factory and the movers. The belly abdomen was the kingdom's kitchen, where food was turned into energy. Inside there were little workers who helped break down food and send nutrients to the whole kingdom. The abdomen, the abdomen and all small intestine and large intestine. The hips and buttocks were the kingdom's movers. They helped people walk, run, and dance happily. The legs and feet, the kingdom's travelers. The legs were the strong bridges that carried the people everywhere. The thighs were the biggest muscle, helping everyone move faster. The knees bent like doors, making it easy to walk and jump. The calves, ankles, and the feet were like stirred wheels, helping people balance and stay steady. The toe were tiny but very important. They helped with walking and running. The secret healer of the kingdom, to keep the body kingdom healthy, they were the magical foods and herbs. The skin, hairs, nails. If you see, aloe vera and coconut oil keep them shiny and strong. Bones and joints, drinking milk, eating sesame oil, this all very good for bones and joints. The muscles, bananas and eggs give them muscle strength. Brains and nerves, walnut and dark chocolate made King Brain super smart. Heart and blood, berries and garlic kept the kingdom's river flowing smoothly. Lungs, eucalyptus and honey helped everyone breathe safely. Tummy and digestion, Yogurt and ginger tea made sure it was used properly. You know, the like for every part of the body, there are different type of vegetables and fruits what God have kept. So if there is any problem, just we have to eat that. The problem is over. When we understand the lesson from the king brain, one day king brain called the whole kingdom together and said, every part of our land is special. If one part is not working well, the whole kingdom feels sad. We must take care of ourselves by eating healthy food, playing outside, and getting plenty of rest. The people listening to their wise king and lived happily ever after, making sure the amazing body kingdom stayed stronger and healthy forever. A moral story, every part of your body is important. And when you take care of it, you stay strong, happy, and full of energy from head to face. So, the head and face, what all there? In head is like house, the brain, and the primary sensor organ, and it protects the skull. So, the head is protected by a large bone, the parts of bone, and the brain is a very primary sensor organ, and forehead provides structure to face, sealed eyes from sweat. An eye allows vision, detects light and color, and helps deep perception. Ear enables hearing and balance through sound wave detection. Nose facilitates breathing and sense of smell, filters air. Jaw assists in chewing, speaking, and facial movement. Neck and upper body. Neck supports the head, allows movement, and contains vital blood vessel. Shoulder connects the arm to the body and provides a wide range of motion. Arms enable movement, lifting and carrying object. Elbow acts as a hinge joint, allowing arm flexion and extension. Forearm. The forearm is provides support for the wrist and the hand movement. Wrist connects the hand of the forearm, allowing flexibility. Hands enable grasping, holding, and manipulating object. And palm provides grip, strength, and support hand movement. Fingers allow fine motor skills, precision, and tactile sensation. Thumb provides strong grip and dexterity, aiding in grasping. Throws and back. Chest. Chest houses vital organ like the heart and lung, aids respiration. Back supports the body, aid posture, and protect the spinal cord. Spine provides structural support, movement, and nerve communication. Abdomen contains digestive organ and assists in core stability. Navel, a remnant of the umbilical cord, serves no major function in adult. Hip supports body weight and aids in movement and stability. Buttocks provide cushioning, balance, and assist in movement. Lower body and leg. Leg supports walking, running, and weight bearing activities. Thigh contains strong muscle for movement and stability. Knee acts as a hinge joint, allowing leg flexion and extension. Calf provides strength for the walking and standing. Ankle connects the leg and maintain rest. By understanding all this information David learned the sunlight is a precious gift from the Creator, offering many benefits for our health and happiness. By spending more time in the sunlight, we can boost immunity, strengthens our bones, enhance our mood, heal our bodies. However, balance is essential. Too much sunshine could be harmful. So we must be wise in how we enjoy the gift. Just as God's creation, the sun to sustain physical life, He also provides spiritual light through His word and His teaching. By embracing both, we can thrive and serve and to follow what God have kept, the secrets, the blessings in the sunlight. His love is with each and every one as we started sharing, using the sunlight and sharing this a healthy word to others. Sunlight is a reminder of God, the God's care and His blessing. Let's cherish and use this gift very wisely to live a healthy life and joyful life. May God bless you all by answering all these questions and answers, the objective type of questions. It's very easy. If you are corresponding through a WhatsApp, you have to type and send to us. Once you complete all these question answers, you are going to get a good reward by faithfully following the steps of Dr.Save Health Natural Lifestyle. May God bless you all. Keep stay tuned and every day complete your lesson.